So today I'm going to paint my jeans. Even I don't know how it will come out, so I suggest you to take any retirable jeans of yours. First of all, insert a piece of newspaper in its pocket. Then we will take some tape and paste it on the sides of the pocket so that our jeans remains clean when we paint it. Now I'm just taking a sponge dipped in paint and dabbing it on the pocket. You could be a fool like me to try using a sponge like I did. But no, use a brush instead, cause it will give you proper coverage. Now you will need a sponge cause we need to create clouds. As you know, clouds don't require proper coverage. Voila! Isn't it a genius trick? Okay, I know that's enough. Now I'm using a pencil to draw my design because I know that I'm not a perfectionist. Now it's time for some detailing. And yes, it's almost ready. Just remove all the tapes, reveal the clean edges, and we are done. I'm so happy that it has come out really good. It is a must try, but I'm again warning you, do take a retirable jeans.